Thanks, you know.
Take it, baby. Chocolate, baby. Hey, this is giving
Why
toast.
is it-
See. Go. Finish.
Oh,
No, sit here. Sit here, baby. Sit here.
you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Sit here. Up, baby. Up. Good boy. Okay. Ready? Hi, my name is Jenna. I would like to talk to you guys regarding dogs, food, and they're healthy. This guy is the youngest guy. His name is Tigger. He's 4.5 years old. A golden retriever, as you can see. A very good looking golden retriever. And this guy is the father, grumpy father. He is 11 years old, and so far there is no health issues. Tigger, come here, baby. Tigger, good boy. As you can see, they don't have any health issues because I give home cooked dog foods. Alright, I don't even cook for myself, but I make sure I cook for them. While my secrets food are like, I'm going to tell you the recipes. Okay, sorry. I buy chicken drumstick from Woolies for $4.50 a kilo.
So you never give them dog food purchased from the supermarket?
No,
Okay.
that's toxic. For me, I will say it's toxic. It's a slow poison.
So what's your secret?
Because that's the reason most of dogs die from cancer. That's, you can say, my belief, as well as stats also saying, but stats didn't go that far.
Okay,
So,
what's
from
your
my experience, because I grew up with dogs all my life. I grew up with a German Shepherd, which she lived for 14 years. Okay, and she died from cancer because of red meat. But we never gave any the dog so-called dog tin food. Okay, it's slow poison. That's even worse than the red meat. Alright, Tigger, good boy. Chocolate, come here. See, they listen to me as well. Really obedient, really loyal dogs.
Okay, what's your secret?
Okay, I'm telling you from the beginning. Sorry.
Yeah.
I give them chicken drumstick. I buy from Woolies for $3.50 to $4.50. On a sale it's $3.50. Normally it's about $4.50. Woolies drumsticks chicken better than Coles for me, for my experience. Alright. Then
So you get the chicken drumstick, and then what do you do with the drumstick?
drumstick. I put in a big pan. I buy 2 to 4 kilos. Normally I buy 2 kilos because I need fresh. I don't want to put it in the freezer. Every 2 days I buy chicken. Okay, 1 kilo chicken is enough for both of them. 500 gram. Alright. So I buy the chicken, 2 kilos chicken. I put in a big pan. Okay.
So you put in a big pot.
Yeah, big pan or big pot. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
And hot water, and put some water, and first, before that, make sure you rice and take all the bad, this is smell from the chicken, that
I say wash the chicken.
yeah, wash the chicken properly. Yeah.
What's the best method that you follow?
Just
to
put in the tap water and wash it.
wash it? Yeah.
Yeah, wash it. Then put some water. Put it on the cooker. You first put it for high. Then put some turmeric, about 4 teaspoons.
Turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder, which is Sindhi civilization, ancient non-toxic powder.
And then do you put any other spice as well?
Black pepper.
Black
Black
pepper?
pepper is not a spice. That's essential for yeah.
So turmeric, black pepper. Do you add any salt?
Black pepper about 2 teaspoons. Turmeric about 5 teaspoons. If you want to get
What's the reason behind turmeric and black pepper? Is there any benefits for the dogs?
They
or?
works really well together. Okay, if you want, you can check the Google, YouTube videos. Lot of videos there about turmeric and black pepper, how beneficial for the health. Alright.
And then you boil the chicken. And
Yeah,
then
boil the chicken about 10 minutes.
you let after it boils,
After-
you let it
after-
rest, yeah?
No. Once
Because it's
it's
very hot.
boiling, after 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, okay? Make it to make the fire into off.
Yeah.
Okay? Put some red lentils, about 5 cups.
Red lentils.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, red dal lentils.
Yeah,
called,
lentils.
That's
So 5 cups.
High in protein.
So mix it with the chicken.
Yeah, just put it on top.
Yeah.
Then put a little bit of salt. And normally what I do is, if you want, you can put garlic and ginger fresh.
Yeah.
No, but I use the powder, garlic ginger mix powder. Okay.
So first
that's
you-
dried powder. Alright. Okay, about 2 teaspoons. Yeah. Then I put about 3 to 4 teaspoons of the coconut powder, dry coconut powder. Coconut powder. Yeah, remember that. Yeah. Then
So
mix it up.
what you do is you take a big pot and you put in the drumsticks, put some water and turmeric powder, pepper and some salt, and then cook it for a while, and then you add
Cook it for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes and you add some lentils
Yeah.
and cook with the chicken, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, but about after that, another cook it for another 10 minutes to make sure you don't burn the thing, burn the dal. It will taste terrible if you burn the
I
dal.
put
Alright?
milk.
Okay, that's it. Mix it up. Mix it up. 20 minutes later, the food is ready. Even the normal human can eat the food.
I think if you guys move to Melbourne.